Hello everyone, I'm Camille. Good text effects can make your videos stand out. Today, I'll show you how to create a rainbow text effect that looks like this. Just follow the tutorial step by step and you'll be able to do it. You can also get creative and make more unique effects. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link to download it for free in the description box. Then click here to create a new text track. Enter the text content we need. Next, click here to modify the font, size, go down to find the shadow section and remove it. Click here to adjust the position, setting both the position and the size to our desired location. Let's create a few text tracks here. Create as many tracks as the number of colors you need. Then copy this text clip. You can right-click and select Copy, or use the shortcuts Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V. Move the copied text clip to the track below. Then click here to change the color. Then click here and slightly move the text position to the lower right. Repeat the previous steps. Copy, move to the track below, change color and adjust position. I'll quickly go through the steps. And there we go, it's pretty much done. Let's find the top white text track. Click here to drag it to the bottom. Then adjust the position of the text. We'll move the position of each text backward by around 3 frames. If you can control the distance well, click here, and the playhead will move 1 frame with each click. Click 3 times, then align the text position with the playhead. Let me do this quickly. After adjusting, let's put the video clip on the main track. Then right-click and select all the text on the timeline to move them a bit to the right. Be careful to move it horizontally. If you move it vertically, okay, let's play it back and see the effect. Not bad. Of course, you can also create different effects by adjusting the color and position of the text. For example, I'm changing the text color to less saturated, and I'm shifting the position of each text clip slightly to the upper left. I'll do this quickly, but you can choose any colors you like. Just like before, move the first one to the lowest position and adjust it to the proper position. This time, let's work our way up from the bottom, moving the text back 1 track at a time. This will give us different text colors and animations. Using this method allows us to create a lot of unique effects. Let's play it back and see. It looks good. Alright, that wraps up everything for this video. Remember to give it a try yourself. If you're interested in learning more video techniques, Feel free to visit our homepage to find more tutorials. And don't forget to follow us so you can get notified as soon as we post anything new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!